If you're managing trucks, every mile matters. A few extra miles per route may not seem like a big deal, but across multiple trucks, every day, every week, and every year, those miles add up to thousands of dollars in fuel, labor, and vehicle wear. That's why successful trucking and delivery companies rely on a truck route planner. In this video, I'll show you how route planning software helps fleets reduce mileage, improve efficiency, and complete more deliveries with fewer resources. Managing truck routes isn't as simple as entering an address into a GPS. Fleets must simultaneously account for multiple delivery stops, vehicle weight limits, commercial road restrictions, time window constraints, driver hours of service, real-time traffic, and per-mile fuel costs, all at once. Now imagine coordinating 15 trucks across 300 daily deliveries spanning multiple service territories. Without proper route planning, drivers waste hours on inefficient paths, routes overlap between vehicles, fuel costs escalate week after week, and deliveries fall consistently behind schedule. The result? Higher operating costs, driver fatigue, and shrinking profit margins on every route you run. Truck fleet operators face 5 costly planning challenges every single day. Challenge 1: rising fuel costs. Fuel is typically the single largest operational expense in any trucking business. Every unnecessary mile translates directly into dollars burned, and unoptimized routes drain your budget mile by mile. Challenge 2: inefficient multi-stop routes. Without optimization, drivers backtrack across the same roads. Overlapping routes waste mileage, and hours disappear into avoidable driving. Challenge 3: truck-specific road restrictions. Unlike passenger vehicles, commercial trucks must navigate around low-clearance bridges, weight-restricted roads, and hours of service regulations. Ignoring these creates delays, fines, and compliance violations. Challenge 4: driver productivity. Every hour a driver spends driving between stops is an hour not completing deliveries. Long drive times directly cap how many stops each driver finishes per shift. Challenge 5: dispatch complexity. As your fleet grows, manually assigning and adjusting routes becomes unmanageable. Dispatchers lose visibility into driver locations, route progress, and live delivery status, making real-time problem-solving nearly impossible. This is where route optimization software becomes essential. Instead of manually planning routes every morning, a truck route planner automatically calculates the most efficient sequence for every truck, every stop, every single day. With Upper Route Planner, your fleet can optimize multi-stop truck routes in seconds, reduce total mileage, and cut fuel costs across the entire fleet. Assign the right deliveries to the right drivers based on location and capacity. Improve daily delivery counts without adding vehicles. Balance workloads evenly so no driver is overburdened. Track every truck in real time on a live dispatcher map. Send customers accurate arrival estimates automatically. And generate daily performance reports with zero manual effort. Your fleet spends less time driving and more time delivering. Here's a real-world example. A logistics company manages 20 trucks and 500 deliveries every day. Before route optimization, routes were rebuilt manually each morning. Drivers covered unnecessary miles, and fuel costs kept climbing month over month. After implementing Upper Route Planner, total mileage dropped by 22%, fuel costs decreased significantly. Each driver completed more deliveries per shift, and customer satisfaction improved measurably. The company saved thousands of dollars annually without purchasing a single additional vehicle. 7 best practices for maximizing truck fleet efficiency. First, group deliveries by territory to eliminate cross-city backtracking. Second, optimize routes daily. Traffic and delivery volumes change constantly. Third, balance workloads evenly so no driver is overloaded while another has gaps. Fourth, monitor fuel usage per route to identify inefficient segments. Fifth, track driver performance with daily stop completion data. Sixth, always account for truck-specific restrictions before routes go out. And seventh, Use real-time adjustments to handle last-minute changes without rebuilding from scratch. Small operational improvements compound into major annual savings at fleet scale. If you're still planning truck routes manually, you're likely losing money every single day. With Upper Route Planner, trucking and delivery businesses optimize routes automatically, reduce fuel costs, manage multiple drivers from a single dispatcher dashboard, and increase daily deliveries without adding vehicles. Try Upper Free today and see the efficiency your fleet has been missing. Because fewer miles mean lower costs, and lower costs mean higher profits. Upper Route Planner is purpose-built for truck fleet operations. Instantly optimize hundreds of stops across your entire fleet in seconds. Split routes automatically across every truck. Avoid weight limits, bridge restrictions, and no truck zones before dispatch. Track every driver live on one map. Insert emergency stops in under 30 seconds. And get daily performance reports generated automatically, without lifting a finger. Upper pays for itself in weeks. Visit upperinc.com today and start your free 7-day trial. Setup takes just 10 minutes. No credit card required.